Ctrl Alt Delete on RDP with Macbook installed Windows 7. I have Macbook with Windows 7 installed and connected to Windows 2012 server with Microsoft Remote Desktop connection. How can I run Ctrl Alt Delete on Windows 2012 server? Thanks in advance.
I found it. It was Fn plus Ctrl plus Alt plus right arrow.
This is what worked for me on my MacBook Pro using Yosemite 10.10.2 and the official RDP client from Microsoft while connected to a Windows 2012 R2 server. Fn plus Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete.
I cannot comment on other answers because of my reputation points. What worked for me was SLM, but in this format. Fn plus Ctrl plus Option plus Delete. Mac keyboard.
There is no delete button on my laptop keyboard. This works on my laptop. Fn plus Ctrl plus Alt plus backspace.